I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you an interesting question on definite integrals. The question here is, if a and b are positive numbers, show that integral from 0 to 1 of x to the power of a times 1 minus x to the power of b dx is equals to integral from 0 to 1 of x to the power of b times 1 minus x to the power of a dx. So we can actually start with the left side and then prove the right side. So let me rewrite the left hand side. So left side for us is integral 0 to 1 x to the power of a 1 minus x to the power of b dx. Let's make a substitution. U equals to 1 minus x, then du will be equals to minus dx, or you can say minus du is dx, right? Whenever you substitute for a definite integral, the interval also changes. So if x is equals to 0, the lower bound, what happens to u? U will be equals to 1 minus 0, which is 1. And for x equals to 1, u will be 1 minus 1, which is 0. So now we can rewrite our integral in terms of the function, in terms of independent variable u. So the limits instead of 0 to 1 will now be 1 to 0. And x, okay. If u is 1 minus x, what is x? Let me write that also. So from here, we can write x, taking x this side, is equals to 1 minus u, okay. So we'll change x as 1 minus u. So we get 1 minus u to the power of a. 1 minus x was substituted as u to the power of b. Dx is minus d. Now this minus du will change the interval. So we could make it positive, 0 to 1, and what we get here is 1 minus u to the power of a and u to the power of b du. We can rearrange this and write this as from 0 to 1 u to the power of b times 1 minus u to the power of a du. And now if I make another substitution, which is let u equals to x, right? So then du will be dx. And as far as the limits are concerned, when u equals to 0, x equals to 0. When u equals to 1, x equals to 1. So we can make another substitution now. Based on this substitution, what do we get? The limits change is 0 to 1 remains 0 to 1. U has been replaced by x, so you get x to the power of b times 1 minus x to the power of a dx. So we get the right hand side. So that is the right side. So that is how we can actually prove that we could rearrange and write in this form. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. If you like, you can put a like. Always share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.